Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to your PDF document on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and select the PDF from your home page. Click on the relevant one. Then you should tap on this pencil icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on comment. Tap on this comment option down below, which is the sixth option. You should select a part where you would like to add your comment. Tap on it and type in your comment. Click on post, and as you can see there is a chat or a comment icon. So if you click on it, the comment will appear to you. So you can either delete it or add the reply to it, change the font size, change the color of it, and also delete it by tapping on the bin icon. As you can see, your reply has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.